kids! Today we are going to read a story about Armadillo.
Oh, wow.
Yes, it's going to be very interesting story. And the name of the story is On a Roll. It's written by Cynthia Plath. Armadillo had a problem. It wasn't how strong his armor was. It was pretty strong, or how fast he could run. He was pretty fast, or even how pointy his nose was. It was perfectly pointy. The problem was that he was supposed to be able to roll into a ball. And Armadillo couldn't quite get the hang of it. That was a little problem. Watch what I do, his mom told him. Armadillo watched carefully as his mom curled up into a tight ball of armor, but then Armadillo tried. Well, it didn't go as planned. Uh-oh. He was so sad. All you have to do is think round things, his dad told him, and then curl up in a ball. Armadillo tried to think of round things like the moon and his favorite rock. Then he tried to roll up, though he still couldn't make it work. Oh my God. He was trying hard. Armadillo decided to take matters into his own hands. He jumped into the air and tucked himself in. Yes, because he was trying hard to do so. He used a rock to push himself into a nice, even circle. But I think it was also not working. What would he do next? This was getting frustrating. Then Armadillo had an idea. Maybe if he had something to roll down, he would finally get it right. Okay. He thought about all the things he would need to do to roll into a ball. Duck his head, tuck his legs, chuck his tail in. Armadillo took a deep breath. He could do this. Yeah, definitely. It seems very easy. At least he should try. He was right. Yay! See, he turned into a rolling ball. He kept trying and got it! His parents were waiting at the bottom of the hill. You were on a roll, his dad said. We knew you could do it, his mom said. Armadillo knew that he could do it too. Wow, that was a quite interesting story. I hope you like it. Good night.